This is the PAScribe lining template, and what you'll see when you see the template is lots of 3mm cuts with holes and lines. Note that there are two types of holes. We have these larger holes which have a 1mm pin, so it's quite a large pin, and when you put that pin into, you really want to hold it and just twist it down. And I tend to twist it back out. I call these tram pins. We have these finer pins, which are 0.7 and you can see how different the hole size is there. Let me leave that on the gray so you can see it a little bit better. And so that goes into there. So at its simplest, the aim of the template was to halve the lines on the PAScribe Rhodia pads. So what you'd want to do is you'd want to place the template on the bottom of the cut to the bottom of the line, and that lines up every other 6mm line. If you feel you can put it down and hold it in place, these white squares, these are sandblasted underneath so they act as non-slip surfaces. Now, if for some reason, and you would know this, if for some reason you know that you are clumsy when it comes to holding something in place and ruling lines, use the anchoring pins. That's why they're smaller. So what I do is I hold it in place and I push down and carefully hold that in place, and I push down. Now, you don't really need more than two, so you can see the template isn't moving, but a third pin really does help to hold it in place. And once you've done that, you rule the top of the cut, and you can see I've chosen one with a little line here. So you see a little line, a little line, a little line. So this tells you that it shows you where every other cut is. So we've done one, I rule back, and you can see that it's ruled up every other line.